Trailer mode is a safety feature in your Tesla Model 3 that optimizes handling when towing. It activates automatically when the vehicle detects a trailer is connected via sensors. It can also be manually enabled via the touchscreen under Controls Service Trailer Mode. When active, it imposes a 25 miles per hour speed limit, reduces acceleration, and disables autopilot. We'll cover how to fix the issue if it gets stuck. Trailer mode can get stuck due to several reasons. Common causes include faulty wiring in the trailer hitch harness, corrupted software caches, or sensor miscalibrations. Electrical noise from aftermarket accessories can also trigger false positives, making the system think a trailer is still connected when it isn't. The first common cause is faulty wiring in the trailer hitch harness. This harness connects the trailer to the vehicle's electrical system, and damage or corrosion can cause the system to incorrectly detect a trailer connection. Another cause is corrupted software caches. Like the icon cache file shown here, temporary data stored in the vehicle's system can become corrupted, leading to persistent trailer mode activation even after disconnecting the trailer. Sensor miscalibrations are also a culprit. The vehicle's sensors, as shown in this diagram, monitor weight distribution and connections. If these sensors are miscalibrated, they may falsely detect a trailer, keeping trailer mode stuck. Finally, electrical noise from aftermarket accessories can trigger false positives. As illustrated in this diagram, noise from non-certified accessories can interfere with the system's signals, making it think a trailer is connected when it's not. Before diving into more complex solutions, try a simple reboot. First, park your Model 3 and shift to park. Open the frunk. Press and hold the brake pedal 3 times in quick succession. Close the frunk and restart the vehicle. This often resets the system and resolves the issue. If software solutions like reboots or app refreshes don't resolve the stuck trailer mode, the issue may be hardware related. Inspect the trailer harness located under the rear bumper for loose or corroded connections. The trailer harness connects the vehicle's electrical system to the trailer. Loose wires or corrosion can cause false detections, keeping trailer mode active even without a trailer attached. Look for signs of corrosion on the connectors, such as green or white buildup, or loose pins that don't sit firmly. Clean any corroded areas with electrical contact cleaner and secure loose connections. A corroded or loose trailer harness is a common cause of stuck trailer mode. If you find issues, cleaning and securing the connections often resolves the problem without professional service. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve the trailer mode issue, it's time to contact Tesla support for assistance. Tesla support can perform remote diagnostics to identify underlying problems and provide specific instructions for resolution. In some cases, a visit to a Tesla service center may be required for a thorough hardware inspection. Looking ahead, Tesla continues to enhance trailer mode through ongoing software updates. These improvements include automatic deactivation when the system detects no trailer is connected, preventing the mode from getting stuck unnecessarily. To stay ahead of potential issues, it's crucial to keep your Model 3's software up to date. Tesla releases over-the-air updates that address trailer mode bugs and enhance overall vehicle performance. Another key preventive measure is using Tesla-certified accessories. Third-party parts can sometimes cause sensor glitches or wiring issues that trigger false trailer mode activations. Certified components ensure compatibility and reliability. The future looks promising with innovations like wireless trailer detection. This technology would eliminate the need for physical harness connections, potentially reducing stuck mode incidents by up to 80%, according to Tesla's projections. By staying proactive with updates and certified parts, Tesla owners can minimize trailer mode issues. These trends signal a more reliable towing experience as electric vehicles continue to evolve.